Hello, my name is Salvador Ortega. I'm the marketing manager for 3D printing at NatureWorks. We're here at TCT Asia, and here with us is Jesse Sumstad, product manager for Jabil, and they developed a new application for powder bed fusion, and I would like to ask Jesse about this new application, what it is, and what are the benefits to the marketplace. Jesse, can you tell us about what it is?
Yes, thank you, Salvador. It's great to be here in Shanghai with the NatureWorks team, talking to customers about Jabil 3110 powder, which is the first ever to market SLA powder for powder bed fusion, and specifically SLS machines. We think it's going to be a great product for people doing prototypes where they're looking to be more sustainable, greener with your PLA material. We think it's going to be a great product for investment casting, people looking for alternative materials for investment casting. So it's very exciting. We see a ton of opportunity, and it's great to be here.
Thank you for coming.